This is problem number 1.44. Here, a wheel rotates around a stationary axis. Here, axis is stationary, so that the rotation angle varies with time as phi is equals to at square. So here, phi is equals to a into t square, where the a, this constant, is equals to 0.2 radian per second square. Find the total acceleration of the point A at the rim at the moment t is equals to 2.5 seconds. So we need to calculate the total acceleration. At t is equals to 2.5 seconds. And it is also given that if the linear velocity of point A at this moment is 0.65 meter per second. So at t equals to 2.5 seconds, linear velocity is equals to 0.65 meter per second. So we can say that angular velocity is equals to d phi by dt. So d phi by dt, will be equals to 2a into t, and linear velocity we can write as omega into r. So this will be equals to 2a into t into r. So at t equals to 2.5 second and linear velocity is 0.65, we can substitute its value. It is equals to 0.65 is equals to 2 into value of a is 0.2 and instant is 2.5 into r. So this complete 2 into 2.5 is 5 into 0.2 is 1. So from here we will get the value of r is equals to 0.65 meter. Now we can calculate the value of alpha. So alpha is equals to d omega by dt, and this will be equals to 2 into a, and this is equals to 0.4. The value of a is 0.2, so 2 into a is 0.4 radian per second square. Now tangential acceleration is equals to alpha into r. So this will be equals to 0.4 into 0.65. This is equals to 0.26 meter per second square. 0.26 meter per second square. So this is tangential acceleration. Now we need to calculate the radial acceleration. So radial acceleration will be equals to v square by r. This is equals to 0.65 whole square divided by the value of r is also equals to 0.65. So this is equals to 0.65. Now the total acceleration will be equals to a radial square plus a tangential square whole under root, and its value will be equals to 0.26 whole square plus 0.65 whole square. And its value, if we calculate it, its value will come close to 0.7 meter per second square. So this is the answer.